number 37. Which of the following are true about finance secretary? Okay, that means finance ministry is there, right? For the finance ministry, overall there will be a secretary. So that one, the secretary to Department of Economic Affairs, that is who prepare the budget, right? That department, that person, that department's secretary will act as the secretary of the whole finance ministry also. But that is actually wrong statement. Okay, then he holds a contingency fund on behalf of the President of India. So later you will learn, in polity you would have studied already, consolidated fund, contingency fund, and then public account. Many things are there, many types of fund is there. So that on President's behalf, okay, this is the person who holds it. Okay, that is true. His signature is found on the 1 rupee note in India. This is also true. So these two you should see, and you should find out like in other notes whose signature is there, whether on coins we have any signature kind of thing. So that kind of basic things you should go and research. Okay, especially after demonetization, notes and currency related also, at least 1-page notes you should prepare. Okay, and then here if you see this, first thing you have to know is under Ministry of Finance, right? There are 6 departments. Okay, there were 3 actually. Then one by one each year got added. The latest being Department of Public Enterprises. Okay, which initially was under the Ministry of Industries. See, Ministry of Industries. It was in 2021 shifted to where? It was shifted to the Finance Ministry. Okay, so total there are 6 departments now, and there is a trick also. You see here, freed P. Okay, that is Department of Finance Affairs, Department of Revenue, Department of Economic Affairs, Department of Expenditure, then DIPAM, which is that investment, right? Investment and disinvestment, where you sell any public thing to private people and all that things and all is taken care. DIPAM, Department of Investment and Public Asset Management. This was the latest edition a few years back, and before that we had these 4 industries. Okay, Department of Financial Affairs, and each thing has a different role. Okay, so Financial Affairs is like if you see the finance related schemes which we have, pension related and all these things, that is here. Okay, Revenue is the incoming money which comes and taxes and all comes. Economic Affairs is the one which deals with the budget and economic survey and all. Okay, when you study that you will know. Expenditure is the one which takes off again of the schemes and all the everywhere where money is being put by the government, the capital expenditure, revenue expenditure, giving salaries to everyone, all those things. So each has a different role and there is a different department. Okay, now the senior most among these secretaries, meaning each department will have a secretary. So there are 6 secretaries. Okay, the senior most among the secretaries of all departments will act as the overall finance secretary. Okay, so there is an overall finance secretary of the ministry, that is the senior most among the secretary of all these departments. Okay, and see, other notes are signed by RBI governor. 1 rupee note is signed by the finance secretary, that is the senior most of all these departments. There is no fixed like, okay, this person, this department is the secretary of overall. It is the senior most. Okay, so this is the thing. And here if you see the old structure and new structure and all, earlier we had only expenditure department, revenue and economic affairs. Then slowly financial services was added, DIPAM was added, and now public enterprise added as the latest one. Okay, 2021, this is the latest one. Okay, earlier it was under the this thing, heavy industry ministry. So this is a topic about departments under finance ministry.